Hi everyone, I'm Chef Tony from HomeHeadChef, and today we're making pizza dough. This pizza dough recipe is very simple. All we need is 5 ingredients and a little bit of time, and it's foolproof. I'm telling you, you can't mess this up. So, let's get cooking. Alright, for this recipe we are going to need 5 cups of flour, 2 cups of warm water, about 105 degrees, 1 tablespoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of oil, and 1 tablespoon of yeast. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take our yeast into our warm water. Going to give it a little stir, and we're going to let it sit and bloom for about 5 minutes. Our yeast is exactly where we want it. We're going to go in with half of our flour into our mixing bowl, our salt, and our yeast. Now we're going to hook this up to the mixer, and we're going to knead it together for about a minute, and then we're going to add in the rest of the flour. Now in with the rest of our flour. Alright, after about a minute or so, the dough started pulling away from the sides, which is exactly what we want it to do. Now we're going to pull it out, oil the bowl, and let it rest. Let's get the dough out of the bowl. Let's form it into a nice ball. Just like so. We're going to oil up our bowl. Not too much. Oil the dough so it doesn't stick. Back in the bowl, we're going to cover it and let it rise for 20 minutes. 20 minutes is up. Dough looks perfect. Flatten this out, we're going to break it down. Now you can get about 4 Strombolis out of this, a couple personal pans, or you can leave it in half and get 2 large pizzas. Now this is the point, if you want to freeze this dough, bag it up, freeze it, and it's good to go. Now you can use this dough right now. You can roll it out, make your pizzas or your Strombolis or your breadsticks out of it if you want. I recommend that you leave it in the fridge, covered, for at least an hour. Overnight is better to really let that flavor develop. Oil down my pan. I'm going to let mine sit for a couple hours and rise in the fridge. Then we'll check back on it in about an hour or so. Our 2-hour wait time is up, and we're left with this beautiful dough. Check that out. It's nice and springy. It's foolproof. I'm telling you, if you follow the instructions, you can't mess this up. Now at this time, if you want to wrap it and freeze it, it should be good for a while. You pull it out, let it rise again, and you can use it, or you can use it now. Roll it out, make your pizzas, Strombolis, breadsticks, whatever you prefer. Well, thanks for stopping in. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.